Yo, is this working? Is this working? I tried to set up multi-stream on Twitch and YouTube. Let's see. Right. Got a Twitch up. Is working. Is working. I started the stream 15 minutes later than I wanted to. But, oh well. Original. Original. How long I've been waiting for you, man? Original. Bro, what the hell? Okay. Will. Param. Hello. Welcome, everyone. Look, I tried to set up multi-streaming, right? On Twitch. What's up, man? What's up, man? How you doing? How you doing? How is everyone doing today? Let me get some music real quick, man. And follow the... Oh, that looks good. You have 13 commits today. Okay, that's 3 more than you need to do originally. Good job, man. Make sure you follow the Twitch. Ah, there it is. Alright, we're doing CodeForces today. Why? Why what? I really like this new chat. Roy X, good afternoon. Oh, good evening. Whatever the hell. Look, this is what we're doing today, man. Orion uploaded a new drum and bass mix. We're going to be listening to that one. Fucking hell. Why are chat stuck on top of each other? It's because I'm on OBS. You got chat here as well. It's just temporary. Just temporary. Your college project is effing you up. You've only completed 40% and you've got 3 days left. Well, you should better get on it then, mate. You should better get on it right now. Instead of procrastinating. I mean, don't follow in my footsteps, man. No. Will. Bad boy. Don't tell him to get out of the stream. Leave your stream on the left monitor. And continue working your project on the right monitor. You know what I mean? That's how you do it. That's how you do it, man. You're doing the project now? Okay, good, man. Good, man. That's how we like. That's what we like to hear. Well, if he doesn't have 2 monitors, well, then he has 3. I'd always give bad advice if it kept views up. Nah, man, it's not bad advice. It's not bad advice, man. Guys, I don't see any new followers on the Twitch. I feel a bit disappointed. In fact, I don't even know how Twitch works, really. I've like never used it before. Somehow I've got 14 followers, but they're probably bots or something. Anyways, just gonna leave that here, really. And I've got to get started with this. Is my voice too loud? Tell me. Tell me if my voice is too loud. Is my voice too loud? Tell me. I think it's fine. Just tell me if it's too loud, man. Also, tell me if you can hear the music. What's the music like? Your voice is perfect to fall asleep to. Some people would say opposite. But we all got different opinions, don't we? There's no music? Bro, what's this? What's this? You gotta turn your audio up a little bit. Turn your audio up a little bit. It's good. Do you see the desktop audio in OBS? Yeah, I do. Alright. Alright, that should be good enough because I obviously don't want to get copyrighted. Like, you're loud and I can't hear it. Oh, okay. Alright. Right. I'll do it that much because I don't even know why I'm trying to hide it. YouTube always copyrights me. Every single stream, I get copyright notifications. So whatever. I'm probably gonna get striked one day, honestly. Like, okay. You're gonna get smitted. What does that mean? Your songs with no copyright. But the songs with no copyright suck, man. They suck. Some bad stuff. Okay. Quality on Twitch is so much better. NYC Tycoon. Yeah? Make your own song. Wait, let's see this Twitch stuff. What's going on here? I think Twitch is taking up all the bandwidth. Oh, thanks for the follow. RoyX, let's see. Now we've got an infinite parallax glitch going on. Oh, shit. Oh, this looks really weird, man. This looks really weird. This looks so cooked. Okay. I'm just gonna delete that for a sec, man, because it's going really weird right now. Yeah. I need to start the programming. How long have I been streaming for? 7 minutes already. 7 minutes. And yeah. Okay. NCSZ. Bro, what? What are you waffling on about? Okay. Which ID am I gonna use? Bro, I'll find out. I'll find out. I think I'm gonna use near him. Okay, so. This is the ID I'm gonna use. Alright, let's do this. So. Alright, let's do some hacker commands real quick. What was that command? Tree? Tree's not found. LS tree. Oh, I don't know. I think on Ubuntu it worked. Anyways, let's get doing. So. Where was my dev folder? CD dev, is that it? No, I meant ls dev. What do you mean there's no directory? Okay. Wait, I'm a bit silly. I already CD'd into it. Okay. So, I'm gonna go to mnt-c-users-my name-document- Is that it? Okay. My CPP projects. I don't even know where the directory was the thingy, my biggie. Coding in /dev. You're the bottom of the leaderboard, bro. You're lacking, man. When we get an overclocking stream? Never. Tree isn't built in, bro. Yeah, I thought so. You use Arch, by the way. Pacman S tree. Coding as root. Bro, there's nothing wrong with coding as root, man. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong. W is the last letter of the alphabet. You're wrong with using root as a monkey. If you're in root, then it's practically not your PC. That's what I'm saying, man. Okay, so. You know what? I forgot where I put my stuff. So. I think it was on desktop. Wait. Bro, I don't know where I put my files for last time, man. On from the last stream. Okay. You guys, I'm doing a bunch of warfare right now, so let's see. Documents. Music's broken again. Microsoft bloatware. You've clearly never heard of Notepad. What do you code in? C++. Yeah, it's just you can't even do control backspace on NeoVim. That's so annoying. Find name / CPP. Okay. Find name CPP. You shouldn't access Windows files through WSL is really slow. Fair enough. Oh, found it. We found it. It's in the bro. It's in the recycling bin. It's in the recycling bin. Who put it in the recycling bin, man? Which one of you put it in the recycling bin? This is crazy. That is disgraceful. Bloody recycling bin. Oh. Okay, this is taking forever, and I'm probably leaking all my files, so let's just not do that now. Anything but coding, bro. Shh. I'm getting there, man. I'm getting there. So, I'm just gonna code in dev. You guys can't tell me anything. So, dev. Okay, let's do nvim. Cause I can't find my directory. We're gonna code in dev. So, next round. .cpp. Let's do this. So, you know, I didn't read it before. Speaker's broken again, bro. I need to get new speakers. So, yeah. I didn't read it before the stream started. Bro, I forgot my water. I'm sorry, I need to go fill up my water. This is not procrastinating, by the way. Let's see, half the viewer base just left. Okay. Anything but coding. Okay, buddy. Hydration is important, you get a pass. I always get a pass, it's my stream. I expect a 25 line or less solve. Um, we'll see about that. Okay, so how do I zoom in? You get a new haircut? Bro, I had the same haircut for like the past 2 weeks. I got a haircut about 2 weeks ago. I got a skin fade. Control plus plus. Okay, let's do this. Call zoom 1. Control plus. Ah, thank you. I did try that, but it didn't work. Maybe it's because I had to be in normal mode beforehand. Okay. Skin fade suits me. Yeah, thank you. I've been getting it for many years because it's the only one that suits me really. So, well, what suits me is the buzz cut. I look really good with a buzz cut or bald, right? And the skin fade. Grow out the hair and a beard like a real programmer. What an atrocious idea. Mods ban him right now. Okay. It's so fun writing boilerplate. I feel like I'm being productive, but in reality, I'm doing fuck all. So, sick. I'm probably going to be the fastest person in the world at some point to write the int main statement. Okay, so let's do this. Contestant who earns a score equal or greater than the kth place finishes. Let's start again. Contestant who earns a score equal to or greater than the kth place finishes score will advance to next round. As long as the contestant earns a positive score, an excerpt from contest rules. Okay, contest rules. A total of n participants took part in the contest. N is bigger than k. No shit. And you already know their scores. Calculate how many participants will advance to the next round. Okay. Okay, I mean, there's only 2 sentences. And this sentence is just, it's like boilerplate. It's like, it's nothing significant. So this challenge should be technically really easy because it's just this sentence. That's the actual problem, right? That's the actual logic. So the first line of input contains 2 integers, n and k, separated by a single space. So 2 integers, n and k. So how do we store it on 2 separate variables? Do I get a string and then pass it and then store each passing in each different variable? The mode doesn't matter. You zoom into terminal on the editor. Like a caveman where the cave is just set up. He's got a point. A point about what? Programming sucks, bro. The void pains me. Bro, don't give me the answer, man. Let's see what's the poll results at. NVim is currently winning. Notepad users, you're sucking it right now. So he said we're using the plus version of Notepad. Oh, you silly Billy. Wait 1 sec. Will shush. Just shush already, man. How to store two separate. Wait, no. How do I word this? I know someone gave me the answer in the chat, but I don't want to look at it. I want to see, improve my Googling skills. Because to be a true programmer, you need to know how to Google. So, what am I trying to do? How to store two variables, what is it called? Two values, a value in two variables from one input in C++. The post was removed. Okay, that's not right. Okay, that's not gonna work. Oh well. I welcome Catfish81. I've been self-teaching myself at C++ for 20 plus years. You're still terrible. Well, listen. I don't think anyone is good at C++ apart from Terry Davis, which unfortunately isn't with us. Yeah. You want to input two variables. What are the engineer icons close to our two beautiful users here? The virgin symbol. Man, they got bolt loose. I'll be next Terry Davis for Zig. Good luck, man. NK. Why am I calling it X and Y? NK. Okay. Initialize that thing. Good. Now, just for debugging purposes, let's see what actually happens. Curious to see what this is. So. That doesn't work. Oh, it does. What? Wait, does C in ignore white space? Does it actually ignore white space? I didn't know that. That's sick. What the hell's going on in the chat, man? I'd make sure Terry... Seeing does ignore white space. You learn something new every day. I think Terry Davis did have a man, a partner in his life, but I mean, I'm guessing here, but like, there's no way bro got to 30 and he didn't speak to any woman in his life. Like, that's crazy, man. Okay, let's do this again. So it does work somehow. It just does. So let's go back and new of him. Okay, can I actually delete it this time? Good. So We got n and k between 1 and 50. N is between 1 and 50 and k is less than n. Sick. The second line contains n space separated integers. This don't make sense. N spaced separated integers. Oh, so we already know what n is. Okay. So do I just do a for loop n times? How is it 8:40 already? I started the stream 8 minutes ago, man. How is it 8:40? Parham. Unlucky, man. N separated integers. Where a, I. What does I mean? Is that's not is that log? What is it? If there's a letter above it to the right, then that's to the power of. But what does it mean when it's to the bottom right? I'm gonna repeat it again. My grade 7 in maths GCSE does not help in real life. So I was just memorizing formulas. I'm gonna ask my favorite agent. What does the letter I mean? Bro. Let's try that again. What does the letter I mean? This image. Subscript index. Oh, so it's like square brackets. Bro, forget about the I, man. So the I is just the index. Okay. What is this? What? Bro, what is this? What is this? It's letter E. I'm not an engineering student. Get out of my face. What the hell? I's. Okay. Oh, so it's like an iterator. Like, it's the index. Okay. Okay. I get it. Now, this is bringing me back memories. I did actually do this in my maths class about 2 years ago. I just forgot, but I remember now. So, all good. All good. Let's do this then. Back to this. Alright. 4. Alright. Let's actually initialize it this time. I learned from my previous 8 mistakes. I'd never initialize I, but now I'm doing it this time. So, I until I is less. Wait, no. Do this while n is more than I. Or I is less than n. I plus plus. The sigma symbol. I'm not blocking AI. No, because chat gives me the actual answers, but you see here, I'm not asking ChatGPT for an answer. I'm asking it to teach me what does the letter I mean, right? He's not giving me the answer. I'm asking a question based on what I want to learn specifically. It's not like it's giving me an answer for the entire subject. If you use AI as a teacher, it's good. It's good, man. Teacher was talking about some letters in math. Letters are for English. Might be sniffing glue. Might be sniffing something else. Right. So we got the second line. Oh, we need to do Cin again. I think I need to do that. For the second line. Okay. Ain't nobody in the Twitch chat, man. That's crazy. Long way to say skill issue. Okay. Where AI is the score earned by the participant who got the ith place. Okay. So first place would just be A at position I. Well, A at position 1. The given sequence is non-increasing. What? So it goes down. That is for all I from 1 to n minus 1. The following condition is fulfilled. Fuck, there's so much waffle. I'll put the number of participants who advanced to the next round. So if we do 8-5, which is n, so 8 participants. What's K again? Eighth place finishes. It's harder than I thought. What does K mean though? N is number of participants. What's K? The place. Okay, place. Don't give tips yet. I'll only accept tips when I'm really giving up. Let me put the nerd glasses on, it might help me. Your eyes are very dry. How can I help with that? I can turn on dark mode for you. Is that better? Just wait a second, man. If you want, you can always give tips in the Discord. Tips always appreciated in the Discord. Because there are noobs there as well. Okay. I'm stuck on what K. Does K just represent the place, the position? My eyes are starting to hurt as well. These glasses, man. B-Joy, welcome. Oh, it automatically does a new line. Ah. Okay. Okay. That's fair enough. I make that mistake quite often. Okay. Contestants who earn a score greater than or equal to the cave place. Oh wait, that's just the that's just the place. Wait, what the hell's going on? It's the position of the score contestant. Okay. Moki, oh. Guys, we got the assembly developer joined the chat. I mean, Moki, does anyone else have a developer tab on Discord? Developer tag. What pathetic confidence. I agree. You could have more confidence in that. Oh, wait. So 5 is the position in this sort of list. And you have to be higher than that position in order to advance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, that makes sense now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 people that advanced and it outputted 6. That took me a long time to figure out. Fuck. That took a long time. That took way too long. Let's read the note. I didn't read that yet. In the first example, the participant on the 5th place earned 7 points. As the participant on the 6th place also earned 7 points, there are 6 advances. Yeah, that makes sense. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, output 6. So 2. Anything that it has to be 2 or above. 0 got 2 or above, so output is 0. Okay. After a while, it took me. Hey boy, for how many years have you been coding? How many years? C++ 0.2. In Python 3. 3 or 4. Okay. Okay, I think I need a vector, right? I think I need a vector. So. Okay, so it starts from the top and it goes down. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna find out. I'm asking this question a billion times, but how to append to a vector C++. I think I asked this question in every single stream so far. But let's see. End, begin, end. What the hell? What on earth? I think I'll just use pushback. Because that's the one I've seen in my life before. So, push back. And then wait, no. That's not what we're trying to do. Is that gonna work? Let's do some debugging. So I'm not sure if this is gonna work. No, it won't. Okay. Wait, what? Did I forget the... Bro, come on now. No, it didn't work. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. So then how do I get input and store it? I need like an intermediary variable. Okay, then let's get int temp. Initialize it to nothing. Then we get stdc in. Put that in temp. And then we do scores.pushback temp. And then we continuously do that. And then we can output scores at the end. Let's see if that works. I think I crashed it. I crashed my terminal. Welcome, Yogita. Your typing speed in words per minute? I don't know. I don't know, man. What was that? I think I might have my scores here on typingtest.com. No, I don't. Okay, I'm not going to take a test now because I'm too tired and it's not going to be accurate. So why isn't that working? Oh wait, no, it was working. Wait, no, what? See, I was... wait. I did the wrong, I did the wrong thingy, my monkey. When I didn't. Okay, so it does work. So, but there's just the problem with outputting the scores. So, how to output a vector in C++. That's what I've got to know. Do I have to use a loop? That is really silly. That is really silly. So you can't just print out the vector. Why do you want to cry? You did a lot of things wrong. I see 3. No, it compiled. It compiled, man. It's only been 44 minutes. Quitting caffeine at 15. I only started caffeine when I was 16, and you're quitting it a year before I even started it. It compiled does mean it works. What are you talking about? If it compiles, It riles. I still don't know what templates are. I'll learn that at some point. Okay, let's try this one. Oh wait, I was copying it like an idiot. Let's try that again. Maybe I shouldn't initialize it. Okay. Okay, it worked. Okay, sick. So let's do, what is it? Let's try 4 and 2. And then 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, good. It works. So we got it. We got the inputs correctly. We stored it in a vector. And it's formatted perfectly. The next step, I just gotta actually do the logic now. You're forced to have a Red Bull. At what time? Just write your own print methods for vectors. Yeah, it's gotta do. Oh, welcome Taku. Welcome Taku. Brother. Sister, I don't know. Oh, whoever deleted Moki's message. I appreciate it. I didn't see it until after you deleted. Good mods. Did anyone point out yet that you should use in place back over push back? Why? It does work. Using namespace std is bad practice. Okay. It doesn't make an effective difference, but people like to point out. I get it. I get it. Yeah, it's just bad practice to use namespace std. Alright then. If you say it's better practice to use mplace back, then I'll do mplace back. Let's see if it still compiles. It does. So let's do 8, 5, 4, 2, 0. Sick. It works. Okay, now we need to do... We can remove this because we're not debugging anymore. Bah. So... 5. Do I just make... I just loop over the vector and then see if the score is... Wait, what? Shit, I forgot the logic again. Oh no. I just want to do good habits from the start, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. this doesn't make sense. I forgot the logic again. So you need to get the score 5. The position of the contestant with the minimum most score. Okay. Oh, wait, it's the position of the contestant. This is why I write notes for myself, because I forget 5 minutes later. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7. You got to be 7 or above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I get it. So let's do that again. I shouldn't have deleted that for loop, but yeah, whatever. And then scores. Yeah, there was no need to delete that for statement before, but it's okay. So we need to check if wait, who messaged me? Okay. So we need to get a temporary variable again, I think. Oh wait, I can just assign temp again. Okay. So we need to get the 5th element in the list. And then, wait, no, I'll just make another variable. Minimum score. I need a counter as well. Okay. Int counter, start at 0. And then we do after that. Okay. So if scores, wait, can we index into a vector? Can you index into a vector? C++. Can you? Oh yeah, okay. You see, I asked the same exact question yesterday. I just keep on forgetting. Okay. If that is equal to k. No, what am I doing? Scores. That is the actual score. I can't index into an integer, bro. No, I get it. So if counter is equal to the minimum score, then bro, no, it has to be I, not I. Minimum score is nothing. So if counter is equal to I, then we set the minimum score to I. Yeah. So let's test out this logically. So counter is 0. I in scores. So this is scores. I is 0. Oh, but it should be 1, right? It should start off as a 1, not a 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it works. Why is chat so dead? It's because these guys want a chatting streamer, man. Every time I start talking, anything apart from coding, people in the chat talk more. Thanks again, Will. Appreciate it. Well, we got 8 likes already, and the stream's been going for 50 minutes. Sick. Let's do debugging again. Okay. So let's do, wait, let's do that. So 8 and 5, and then we do 10, 9, 8, 7, 7, 7, 5, 5. 0. Oh, wait. I know why. I know why. I messed up with the calculation. With the for if statement. Okay. What was that? Oh, Mohammed, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it, man. Welcome to the community, Mohammed. Wait, was that it? Yeah. Welcome, brother. Okay. Make sure to join the Discord server, Mohammed. It's in the description. And I'll personally give you a high five. Okay, so counter plus plus. This will work. This will work. This will work. So, G++ next round. App. So let's do 8, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 7, 7, 5, 5. That should output 7. Bro, what the fuck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is output 0, man? That doesn't make sense. Wait. Is it because it's out of scope? I think it's because it's out of scope again. It's not out of scope if you mean minimum score. Yeah, I'm talking about minimum score. Because if you assign the value here, right? It only makes sense it's local. Wait, no. I'm thinking in a Python thingy again. Python mindset. Okay, but why is minimum score? Ah, wait. Wait, no. Okay, I need to see. Ah, wait. Wait, no. Wait. This is supposed to be outside of the thingy loop. You know, I think counter plus plus should be executed regardless. So I think that's what I'm doing wrong. So if I just do counter plus plus each a time. That might be it. Let's see. Eight, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 7, 7, 5. Oh wait, I forgot to put the last value. Let's do that again. 8, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 7, 7, 5, 5. Why is it still 0? Why is it still 0, man? Come on. Why is it still bloody 0? Somehow I always forget to do that. Okay, so we're getting I as the actual value, which is perfect, but it's still outputting 0. What? What? Oh, what's going on in the chat? It's not out of scope. Yeah. Why using a for loop instead of scores I? Scores I? Let's see what you mean about that. Because that's in a different loop. I am using scores I. But that's in a different folder. I don't know, man. Okay. Guys, I don't want your help for now. Don't give out the answers, like proper answers. Don't forget to drink. Let's stay hydrated. Yeah, it's just CodeForces.com. If you guys want to look at the problem, I'll put it in the chat. It's like leak code, but easier. In my opinion, at least. Yogita, did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? You know what I mean? Anyways, let's get back to this. So we're printing minimum score. We're assigning minimum score to I if counter equals I. Let's do some more debugging. So we know I works, so we can cut that out. Then we do counter, and then boom. Okay. Maybe I should put that at the start of the thingy my bobby. Let's do that then. That's not gonna work. That's out of scope. Let's do 3 and 2. So 10, 9, 4, 1. 0. Counter is 1, 2, 3. So that's the index. No, it's not. Sub for a cookie. You're actually hungry for lunch. I'm gonna take a break. Lunch, bro, is dinner time. Dinner time was 2 hours ago. I'm gonna take a break to eat dinner's market. Yeah, you can go eat your dinner, man. You can go eat your break. Go have your lunch. I'm not sure if debug printing is the same as debugging per se. But then again, I don't even know how to close Vim, so I wouldn't know how if it can debug to begin with. In order to close Vim, all you need to do Alright, did you guys get that? That's how you close Vim. All you need to do Goku. Peter. How's it going? Bro, I'm trying to do this this CodeForces challenge, and it's really kind of like striking a nerve, brother. Obviously, I'm holding it in for the camera, but like, if the camera wouldn't be there, I'll do a little uppercut. Oh shit! I didn't actually mean to do that. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, whatever. Okay, so let's do this. Got nvim. Now, I still don't get why it's outputting 0, man. Minimum score. Let's try this again. So, wait. We're gonna debug minimum score. You didn't see it, do it again. What didn't you see? Okay. 8, 5. 10, 9, 8, 7, 7, 7, 5, 5. Okay, we found what the problem is. So it's never being assigned. It's never working. Okay, so this assignment statement is correct. So counter is never going to equal I. Ah, wait. It's not supposed to equal I. It's supposed to equal K. Fuck. Oh my god. It's supposed to equal K. I just realized. Let's try that again. It works. It works. Oh, finally. Finally. Guys, you see, I'm not that stupid. I'm not that stupid. I figured it out. I figured it out, man. Sending myself love hearts. Okay. Alright, now we got that. That's basically it done, right? So now we got minimum score. I can loop for it again. Wait, no. Yeah, after I find that, I can just break. I can just break. I don't need this for statement anymore. Oh. Ah, so that's how you scroll the page. It's shift up arrow down arrow. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Good job. Now you can figure out how to do it without the loop. Oh, no. I'm not doing that without the loop, man. Once I actually solve the problem, then I'll think about doing it optimally. See, how's it going on the Discord? That's for the new people over there. I'm actually promoting everything so hard, it's disgusting. Also, guys, don't say anything silly in the chat because my mods are on break. So, you know what I mean? Be nice. So, now I got to loop for it again, right? I need another. I'll do a short this time, just because why not? Optimization purposes and that. So short. Number of participants who passed. That's a long ass name. Let me reduce that. That's such a long name. Passed. Num of passed. I think that initializes it to 0, but I'm gonna do a 0 anyway. Alright, so 4. No, I'm overcomplicating it. I, and then scores again. Okay, and then we need to check if I is more than or equal to minimum score, then we do bomber clap. We do num of past plus plus. And then at the end we output num of past. Let's do it. I think that's it. No way. No way it actually compiled first time. It actually compiled first time. Let's see. I think someone else already pointed out too, but I just mean that you could just do minimum score equals score k rather than looping until you get the kth index. Okay. That is true actually, yeah. I didn't think of that. I didn't think of that, man. I did not think of that. I think my camera's destroyed after that uppercut. You know what's really silly though, right? When I get progress, when I do like good stuff in the code and actually advance and learn, my views drop. But when I mess up and I get segmentation faults, that's when people love it. People love to see me fail. What can I say? Alright, let's do this up. 8 5 10 9 8 8 wait no 8 7 7 7 5 5 76. Bro, what? Ah. It's because of this. Let's remove it. We don't need that debugging statement. Try that again. Six. We got it. I need to remove all of the debugging statements because that's gonna annoy the website a lot. So let's get rid of that. And then where is it? That's the only couts I have, right? You only need one input, so any other couts? No. No. Okay. Good. That should be it. Let's try that other example. Let's do 4 2 0 0 0 0. 4. Didn't work. Didn't work. Didn't work. It's just the logic. It's just the logic error. 0 isn't positive. You forgot the condition that only plays with positive score pass. Well, I checked if their score is bigger than or equal to the minimum score, which is 2. So that means if 0 is bigger than or equal to 2, then number of pass plus plus. But 0 is not more than or equal to 2, so how does that work? How does that work, man? How does that work? The minimum score is 0. No. Ah. That's true. The minimum score is 0. 1, 2. Because the second index in this list is 0. Okay. Okay. In the second example, nobody got a positive score. Well, so if they get a positive score, then if they get a 0, then that's just a guaranteed fail then. I didn't account for that. If I equals 0, then we can just continue. Four two zero zero zero. That's it. It outputted 0. We're good. We're good. That's it. All right. That's it. Now I gotta find a way to copy all of this code without having to type it in, because I had to do that last time, didn't I? Submit. Do you guys have an idea how I can copy this code? I guess it's fine since it doesn't mention negative scores, but I generally prefer more than or equal to 0 over. Okay. I'm in Arch Linux right now. You can't do Notepad in Arch Linux. Yeah, what was that? Farhan. Welcome, Farhan. Welcome to the community, brother. Or sister. Isn't it WSL Arch? Yeah, it's Arch. It's Arch, man. Notepad.exe. Ah. Crazy. How does that work then? How does that work? So Notepad works, which is a Windows thing, but Nano doesn't work, which is Linux. Wow, the moon is really beautiful tonight. Wow, that moon is actually beautiful. It's a full moon right now. Crazy. It just uses Windows to run Notepad.exe. Okay, so let's do Notepad. What was it? Notepad.exe, and then next round. No way that actually works. That is sick. That is so cool. Okay, let's copy all of my dangerously long code. Okay. That is way too long. That is way too long, bro. I mean, let's see if it even works. Let's see. This is my first time submitting it. First time ever. Let's see. Okay. So it got past the first 5 tests. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Let's see. It failed on test 6. Wrong answer. Expected 14, found 15. Okay, so I gave out 15, but it needed 14. Why? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if it's 3 or above, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, the answer is 14. So how did I get 15? It's like going to wsl.localhost and then explore window. Makes sense, man. But this is weird. The logic makes sense, but the program gave +1. Just on test 6. So weird. You guys got an idea? Can I put this in the chat actually? Just in case you guys want it. Oh, I can't do that. That's way too long. Can I use paste bin? Okay, I'm gonna try paste bin. Is that gonna work? Yeah, okay. Yes, you can help now. You can help now because I did the actual thing by myself. It's just on the last test it didn't work. So there's the code there. You got the source code there. Check it out. I'm accepting all forms of help now. Let's do this. because it's really silly. Where's code? It's in the chat. I posted the paste bin in the chat. I put it in the Discord server as well. If you can't see it in the chat, okay, go in the Discord server in the general section. I put the link there. Right here, right here. You don't see it either? That's weird. It normally lets me put my own links in. RM. Original. I don't know what that sentence means, but okay. Alright, you guys got the paste bin now? You got the code? That's to check if the number they have is, well, 0, like, move on. Pretty self-explanatory. It's, okay, let me give the example again, right? Where's the good one, right? Here, so on test number 2. So test number 2 here. This, it's getting the second index, right? The second index for this list is 0. So it's checking if I, which is their the actual score value, if the score value is equal to the minimum score, which in this case is actually 0, then it's gonna pass this if statement and it's gonna increase num of past plus plus. So it's gonna augment that variable, but it shouldn't do that because 0 means failed. 0 means failed. I'm listening. Say it. Minimum score equals k minus 1. Okay. I'm not gonna delete the code yet. I'm just gonna rewrite. I'm just gonna overwrite it. Minimum score equals scores k minus 1. I don't know why we're doing -1, but we'll see. Okay, let's try this one then. Let's try this one. Compilation error. It didn't work. I think the -1 is what broke it. Vector start at 0. Yeah, it didn't work. Oh wait, bro. Oh my god. I forgot the semicolon. I forgot the semicolon. Fuck. I cannot believe that. Oh, I can't believe that. I forgot the semicolon. That's such a monkey mistake. Okay, let's try this. Oh, it worked. Bro. Okay, wait. Before I move on, I'm gonna check if my code works with this. So if I do my code, if counter equals k minus 1. I know your version is obviously better, but I just want to see if mine still works the way I did it. So alright, let's try this one. Because it did get accepted, your one, right? Let's see. I did work, okay. So what I need to do was do -1 because it's 0 indexed. Your code is just an overcomplicated index. Yeah, I know, brother. Right, well, let's do the good method now. Let's optimize it, if you know what I mean. We can just do this. I'll keep the comments. The comments are good. Okay, now the code all fits in one view. So wait, one sec. So this took 124 milliseconds. Let's see if we can do it faster than that. Like, let's do less than 100 milliseconds with this code. That took longer. That took longer. That was what you said, but you're off by 1. Notepad won the poll. No, the poll isn't ended yet. The poll hasn't. Bro, that's such a joke. How's Notepad winning? You know what's really silly? I'm not even allowed to vote in my own poll. So I actually removed a lot of the code and it made it slower. Bro, how is it slower, man? How is it slower? This is some silly billy stuff. But yeah. Okay, that's better. That's better. Alright, well, that's it. That's all I wanted to do this stream. So, yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Bros entered IDE hell. Every stream a different ID. Oh, for the past few ones, I've been on this one, whatever it's called. Neovim. You've written 100 lines of comments in my code in a row. I can't wait until we code with pen and paper. I used to do that in my GCSEs. For the actual exams on the software development, we had to code in pen and paper, obviously. We weren't allowed computers. Right, welcome all of the new people to the community. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I hope you'll join the Discord server. Yeah, you did. Alright. Welcome, Bijoy and Taku. Hope you're having fun and that. I'm gonna go eat my dinner, you know. I'm gonna go eat my dinner. So, yeah. Where is it? Let's see. I'm gonna end the poll before I end stream. So let's run up BO3. You got BO3, bro. I gotta eat my dinner, man. I'll do BO3 another time. Or if you want, message me on Discord. Message me on Discord saying that you wanna try BO3, and we'll see. Alright, gotta shout me out though. Shout you out? What do you mean shout you out? Coding SZY. Why do I gotta shout you out, man? Microsoft Visual Studio is not bad. It's very good. The debugger. No, like as in message me. Ha ha ha. Okay. Bro. I don't know what your Discord name is. You message me. Just code with terminal only. Okay. Right. Looks like we've got some very smart people in the chat. So yeah, I'm gonna end the stream now. I think that's it. Hope you guys have a good night. And yeah. Wait, before I go, I know I'm procrastinating end of the stream now. I'm gonna make sure everyone had the the opportunity of a lifetime to join the Discord. Why is my Discord broken, bro? Okay. Join my brothers and sisters. Yeah. It's gonna be the end. Peace. Press the stop button. There it is.